mbere na mbere ndishimye ko turi hano twatumiwe muri aya marushanwa
to this tournament, and as we have not to play an AFCON qualifier, what was open still for a long time,
gikombe cy'Afurika ni amahirwe meza kubona imikino y'inshuti ndetse n'imyitozo ku bakinnyi banjye twitegura imikino idutegereje harimo gushaka itike y'igikombe cy'isi ndetse na Afurika mu mpeshyi itaha ndashaka kubikoresha mwitegura
as it is the World Cup qualifying and also the AFCON, which should somehow be in the summer, August or whatever, and so this camp I want to use for both tasks. So this means having my players from abroad with me again. I have them had only one time as I'm short here, coach for Rwandan team, and to prepare our team for the FIFA qualification. And I also am thinking, and that's how I probably also will act by putting players in and out in these friendlies to prepare also the team for the AFCON, where also only players from Africa are allowed to play. To be honest,
mbabwije ukuri nta makuru mfite kuri Madagascar magingo aya.
I know that it's a strong side.
Gusa icyo nzi cyo ni ikipe nziza ndetse iri no ku mwanya mwiza ku rutonde rwa FIFA.
Good ranking. I know that they have normally some or a lot of players that are coming from French background, but I really don't know until now really a lot of things about this team because
magingo ya nta byinshi ndayimenyaho kuko ubu ndi kwita ku mukino mbere mfitanye na Botswana nurangira nzashyira umwanya kuri Madagascar.
I don't know if other coaches are thinking different, but I think every coach is going.
Sinzi ibijyanye n'imitekerereze y'abandi batoza, gusa buri mutoza wese yajya mu mukino ashaka gutsinda, ntawe uzavuga ko ashaka gutsindwa.
Every winning match is also helping. It's helping you as a coach, it's helping the team.
Buri tsinzi izana ibyishimo ku mutoza ndetse n'abakinnyi.
For that we will try to win both matches. For sure then we will see what will be the result, and if I can be happy with the result, hopefully I'm at least happy with the style my players are doing on the pitch, because okay, sometimes
rimwe na rimwe ushobora gutsindwa umukino ariko ikipe yawe ikaba ariyo yabaye nziza mu kibuga biruta gutsindwa ukaba n'ikipe mbi. Gusa abahungu banjye barakoze cyane mu minsi tumaranye ndetse ubu n'abakinnyi bakina hanze baraje kuko abakina imbere mu gihugu bo tumaranye icyumweru. Ndatekereza ko turi ku rwego rwiza nubwo tutaragera aho twifuza, nizera ko muri imikino tuzitwara neza. Sinzi ibijyanye n'indi mikino gusa ndifuza ko umupira w'amaguru mu Rwanda wazazamuka mu gihe nzaba ndiyo. Ndashaka kwerekana umupira ukurura abantu, gukina umukino mwiza nibyo wataka. Sinzi ibijyanye n'indi mikino gusa ndifuza ko umupira w'amaguru mu Rwanda wazazamuka mu gihe nzaba ndiyo. Ndashaka kwerekana umupira ukurura abantu, gukina umukino mwiza wataka. Ibyo ndi gutoza abakinnyi banjye, kubw'ibyo indi mikino nta bindi byinshi nyiziho, ubu akazi kanjye nako kwita ku mupira w'amaguru.
And trying to work on counter, hopefully then also are scoring out of these situations. But as I said, I don't know the situation in other sports, if the question is going that way in Rwanda, how they are doing. At the moment I'm focusing only on football. I made some changes. There are new players in the squad. I think there is one player who is playing abroad is not with the squad at the moment. But yes, there are players from our last camp and our last matches, and for sure there are new players because I have had now more time to see games in Rwanda League.
nakoze impinduka nongeramo abakinnyi mu ikipe yari yatsinze Afurika y'Epfo. Umukinnyi umukina hanze niwe tutari kumwe magingo aya. Mfitemo abakinnyi bashya kuko nafashe umwanya nitegereza abakinnyi muri shampiyona y'u Rwanda. Mbere sinabonye umwanya wo kureba imikino kuko narebye umwe gusa, niyo mpamvu nakoze impinduka.
There might be a chance for them to show good performance.
Like the coach said, I think Madagascar is a good side. They have a lot of players playing abroad. I don't know if
nk'uko umutoza yavuze, ndatekereza ko Madagascar ari ikipe nziza ifite abakinnyi bakina hanze, nubwo ntazi niba barahamagawe. Hari abo nzi bakina mu Bubiligi. Natwe dufite ikipe nziza imaranye byibuze imyaka 4. Ntekereza ko ari ikintu cyiza kuri twe, uzaba ari umukino umeze neza.
Already played together for a long time, which is a good thing for us. So I think it's going to be an interesting game. Every international game is hard, you know. You are playing for your country. When you are playing for your country, you have to give everything. So
iyo ukinira igihugu cyawe utanga byose ufite, uzaba ari umukino ukomeye. Madagascar izaba ifite abafana bayo baje kwireba, ariko uzaba ari umukino mwiza cyane.
It's their national team, so it's going to be a very good game to play. Yeah, for sure. I always say to the guys now.
Nkunda kubwira abagenzi banjye ko umupira wa Afurika wazamuye urwego, nta kipe nto ikibaho. Ngira ngo mwaribonye mu gikombe cya Afurika giheruka.
You can see it's an example for the AFCON. You can see the teams.
Amakipe yageze kure, abantu batarayaga amahirwe, niko kuri umupira warahindutse.
It's because this is the reality. The football is changing.
Abakinnyi basigaye bifite icyizere, bazi icyo bakinira.
They need to play. So like you say, maybe now it's going to be a little bit more challenging because the teams are coming knowing that
turabizi ko bitazatworera kuko amakipe azaza bizi ko twatsinze Afurika y'Epfo ndetse tukananganya na Zimbabwe. Gusa kuri twe twiteguye gukora ibyo umutoza dusaba.
We are ready to do what the coach are asking.